Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Contractor Inductions module, which is the third of 4 contractor related modules in the system. This module facilitates storage and management of information relating to the induction of individuals who are associated with contractors who access the workplace. This module includes the option to store contractor qualifications complete with expiry reminders, as well as the ability to assign responsibility for management to any user with manager level access to this module. It's important to note that records in this module must be related to an existing record in the Contractor Identifications module. Therefore, you must first create a contractor identification record before you can create related inductions in this module. The Contractor Inductions module is accessible via the Contractor Management area within the Module Navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels. They're controlled within the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below the module name are the main controls. In this case, the small contractor icon returns to the Contractor Management homepage, the plus icon allows creation of a new record, and the export icon exports all data from this module in a CSV file. Depending on whether your subscription commenced, you may also have access to an archive of related records in this module. Below the main controls are the search filtering tools that are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents any relevant results, which can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all results. To clear the results and view the full list, either reselect the module from the Module Navigation menu and then the Contractor Management area, or clear the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most system modules, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows you to export all of the filtered list results in a CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list control is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view or an extended view of each record in the list view. The up and down arrows to the left and right of the list heading area sort the records in ascending or descending order by contractor or the date that they were created. The colours that appear to the left of each record in the list relate to the status of each record, which is explained in the module help notes. When a brief summary of each record in the list is displaying, the Actions icon to the right of each record pops open the action controls in a new window. When the extended details of each record are displaying in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible within each record. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace, the tutorial for the desktop version of this module that appears when you're logged in on a desktop computer, and the system overview for mobile tutorial, which is available on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.